I am perched here on my porch. It is eerily quiet. Blizzard-like conditions. There's nobody out on the road today. Nothing. No noise whatsoever. And I don't want to talk loud because there's nothing. There's nothing going on. There's usually cars driving by. There are usually people walking by. And there's usually a lot of stuff going on, but it's eerily quiet out here. There's nothing. On the exception of that guy shoveling over there, but there's nothing. There's nothing. There's nothing. It's blizzard-like conditions. We're supposed to get about 2 feet of snow, maybe. A little bit more than that. And by tomorrow morning, it's only 5 p.m. right now. And we got maybe a few inches, as you can see. My foot is buried already. So, on the exception of that, we will probably be getting blizzard-like conditions with 50-mile-an-hour winds later on. It's only like 5 p.m., so they said around like 8 o'clock we're going to get like 50-mile-an-hour winds, 60-mile-an-hour winds, and then we're going to be getting more snow. So, as you can see, the car is completely covered. Car 1, Car 2, and Car 3 back there. They're all covered with snow, and there's nothing. I'm just dying to jump in a pile of snow for you guys. I mean, there's this place it's over there. It's a park. We could actually go snowing over there. I mean, not snow. We can actually go sledding. I'm just like so psyched because this is the first snowfall of the season, and we can actually go sledding over there, and it's like a steep hill, so it's really pretty cool. I'm thinking about doing that, you know, showing you guys a lot of this stuff. Since I'm doing daily vlogging now, I want to do some very interesting things to show you guys and stuff like that. So that's going to be fun. Yesterday was Christmas too, so it's insane that we get a white, not really white Christmas, but white day after Christmas. Why is he not talking into the camera? That's how you talk into the camera.
We are on our way over to Grandma Raps.
We got to teach Gray Eagle his vlogging skills.
There's our friend that we met over in Niagara Falls in Canada. Oh, yeah. Right there. See with the broom? I guess so. Looks like a snowman. Is that a snowman or is that her?
I don't know. Or is it neither?
Wow.
Oh, look at Abba's driveway.
Can't see a thing.
I thought you bought a snowblower.
Don't think so.
So we can do her stuff.
Merry Christmas! Doesn't know who it is. Well, it is what it is. Go to the back door.
I'm gonna go jump in the pile of snow.
Raymond.
Oh,
ready?
I had to clean this off, so hurry up.
I promised.
Somebody's coming out of the driveway there.
Right here.
Hurry up.
Look how deep it is already.
Well,
I
go.
promised everybody that I would jump into the snow, so I'm going to jump into the snow right now.
Go before this... Whoa. 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 Is he alright?
It's a ghost town. It's ghost. There's nobody here.
Yeah.
All the power's out.
Yeah, but the thing we gotta worry about is the heat.
All the power's out. We've got nothing. We came over here for a meal, and we're gonna have a candle dinner with nothing but candles. This is like an adventure and a half. We gotta go on another adventure soon. Gotta travel.
Anybody there?
I don't know. Oh.
Yes.
Yes. Everything's out.
You have power?
The whole world's out.
No power.
Raymond, take your boots.
All right, tell her to call me on my cell.
Who is that?
Amanda.
Take off your boots, Raymond, and close.
I closed the door.
So close the other one.
I gotta take these.
Just in case.
I got a lot of candles.
I can't.
Come.
Make a creepy noise.
We lost all power, all communications to the outside world.
You are going crazy.
Let me see,
Except
Raymond.
for cell phones.
Let me see what you
We
think.
will have no heat in a matter of hours.
Except for our candles.
No We're going to bed early tonight.
No.
I'm jumping in my bed. I'm gonna put 50 million pieces of blankets.
What?
Oh!
You have candles you can sleep by.
Yeah, sure.
That's dangerous.
Get
Go
with
sleep
the,
in the firehouse.
yeah,
You said you were
one
sleeping at the
Go
firehouse.
sleep in the firehouse.
Go to the firehouse.
What? Here we are in.
Where's this cup here?
This is very bad. We lost all power, and it's really
I don't know what we're gonna do.
storm of 2010.
The last.
The Last Supper.
Only a couple more days, and it will be 2011. And this is probably the first time we lost power since maybe like a thunderstorm. So we don't know what's flying around here. It's pretty scary.
This isn't even 2012 yet, so maybe the end of the world is coming soon.
Don't say that until I have my coffee.
No good?
I don't know.
Guys,
Oh,
settle down.
yours is medium. It's
Guys,
very
guys, settle down.
She
It's
said-
Christmas.
big. What?
She said that it was. What'd you
I
say?
don't know.
You thought it was tight? I don't know. I think it's all right. I gotta know. You said the brown one was too big.
I think the brown one's too big.
Yeah, but I got
She
him
didn't see.
the gray.
Ambu didn't see the brown one, so she doesn't know what you're talking.
This is real blizzard weather. The power went out everywhere. As soon as we walked into Grandma Rap's house, the power's out. Street lights
Go with that.
are out everywhere. Go. The power's out everywhere. This is real adventure. This is real adventure right here. Those street lights are on though, and Huck Finn's is on.
I can't see anything.
I can't see anything either. I don't think these guys can see us either.
That's not another alarm.
I can't see. Look at that. There's no lights back there. Nothing. There are no lights on. Anywhere. Come on. Hurry. Go. Ooh.
How come Huck has light?
How come Hawk has light? Come on, Max. Come on. So we just got back, and the power's back on now. And as you can see, it's still blizzard out there. It's ridiculous. I'm a ninja now, so it's all good. Oh man, whatever. All the power's finally back on.
Restored.
That's a good thing. At the very least of our worries.